Thank you, Robbie, for studying water. We need you to help us solve the problems Wisconsin now faces. I'm the senator that represents the largest number of mines in Wisconsin. I've seen up close and personal what poor regulations does to our natural resources. Recently in Trempealeau County, a sand mine spilled 10 million gallons of sludge into the Poker Coulee. No one in the public knows the chemicals in that sludge. But the sludge made its way to the Trempealeau River, to a wildlife refuge, and to the Mississippi River. Now is prime nesting season. When the sludge settles, vegetation will die, bottom-feeding waterfowl will lose food, fish will cease to be food for the diving ducks, and frogs and crustaceans will suffocate and not be food for the herons and the egrets. The mine operated under few regulations. The mine avoided the county ordinance when they annexed into 2 nearby cities. Then the mine received a promise from the state that they would not be held to pay penalties for violations. The contract was executed months after a $20,000 donation to the re-election committee of Governor Walker by the CEO of the mine. The sand mine had many other violations, including digging 2 high-capacity wells without permits. This story did not have to happen. By circumventing the local ordinances, safety measures were not in place. By not adequately staffing DNR, needed inspections for sand mines and CAFOs were not done. As governor, I would add inspectors for sand mines, CAFOs, and industrial polluters. I would hire enough employees to enforce our regulations. I would monitor groundwater across the state. I would hire back the scientists that the governor fired, and I would put them to work helping us deal with the very real effects of climate change, of chronic wasting disease, and of deteriorating water conditions. I would ask the scientists to post their research on our state websites, and I would work with lawmakers to repeal the recent laws that have taken away environmental protection. Years ago, humans decimated the woods and the buffalo. Humans are now ruining our water and our planet. If we don't act to stop the harmful activities and skillfully work to restore our natural resources, there won't be anything left. Now is the time to act.